Hi, I'm Hannah, and I'm a developer on Galileo's curriculum and instruction team. I work year-round to create engaging STEAM projects to inspire your camper all summer long. Each day, your camper will have 3 rotations, each specially designed to foster innovation and creativity. Here's a sneak peek of some of the exciting things your camper will be doing this week in each one. In Innovator Studio, campers build creative confidence, turning their ideas into polished take-home projects. This week, stars roam their own Dinosaur Park. One thing they'll build is a theropod hand, engineering string-activated fingers from cardboard strips that bend, curl, and hold their grip. Throughout the building process, they'll practice being determined by testing how much weight their raptor hand can hold and strengthening it finger by finger until nothing escapes its grasp. In Idea Lab, campers work collaboratively on daily design challenges. This week, your camper and their partner build the tallest slide they can, ensuring a ball rider arrives safely at the landing cup. They'll stack paper chutes on craft stick poles and add angled bracing to build a sturdy structure, each section slightly higher than the last. They'll practice being reflective by testing after each edition, noticing where the ball flies off the track and adjusting before climbing higher. And in outdoor adventure, campers play exciting games, take on team-building challenges, and engage in traditional camp fun. This week, they'll play games like Cooperative Relays, leapfrogging, robot walking, and tunnel chaining their way to the finish line, with a new partner each round. They'll practice being collaborative by communicating with their partner and sharing strategies to help the whole team beat the clock. We can't wait for your camper to experience these activities along with the rest of the awesome projects this week. And remember, at Camp Galileo, kids bring home much more than just their projects. They bring home the creative confidence and problem-solving skills they'll need to thrive.